Welcome to the Mercedes-Benz EQE AMG. You'll know that it's ready because it tells you so. This is Times Square inside with the dash. Huge dash display for both passenger as well as driver. It's got all of the extra AMG features. So you got your AMG trims, AMG steering wheel, and of course, you're all electric, so you're ready to roll. Inside, lots of room, lots of charging areas. Most importantly, inside, you could fit, I don't know, a 24 pack of something if you wanted it. A swipe of your finger and the moonroof opens. Beautiful interior lighting, lots of colors to choose from. Of course, that's standard for Mercedes-Benz. AMG trim and the Alcantara leather that's all around the dash, including these awesome red seat belts. You can actually program your own sound in. Interestingly, if you want to make the EQE a little louder or really loud, this is like the Tron ride at Epcot Center. You hit powerful and this thing goes whoop. It's exactly what Mercedes has tried to do here. Or you can just quiet it down. Either way. Let's take a look in the back just for a second. The back, a little tight for three, but you can squeeze if you need to. And of course, all your creature comforts, great Burmeister speaker system, and these really cool headrests that look like they came right out of a space shuttle. In the back, for those who need a little bit of extra room, swipe and open this up. Bottom line here, lots of room for whatever you need. Futuristically, just like the sound you can actually program with the vehicle. It even says goodbye to you. Thanks so much.